Got it? You sit back down now? William, stop taking those stickers off. You can't have those. Those aren't yours. William. William. William, no. You know what no means. William. William. Well, you gonna say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? You gonna say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Huh? You gonna say hi to TT Joy? Hmm? Your Uncle Chuck? Huh? You gonna say hi to him? No? Too busy to say hi? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? William? William, can you say mama? You not gonna say anything? You say dada? What? No. 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 William, no. William, no. Can't put that in your mouth. What are you doing? No. 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 Are you gonna take all the stickers off? You didn't put those on it. What? No. No. No.